let's look at prime and composite numbers, okay? So this is an interesting thing. We're going to go through a list, and we're going to list all the prime numbers between 1 and 10. And in order to do that, we have to figure out what a prime number is. So we have a little definition here. Prime numbers have only 2 factors, okay? So that's really important, 2 factors. And the 2 factors, one in itself. So first of all, we need to list the numbers of 1 to 10, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we'll make some room, 8, 9, and 10. Now, normally we would start with the first number we've written, number 1, but I'm actually going to leave that one to last because I want to talk about it after.
I know that one.
Okay. Okay. Let's do the first one. 2. What are possible factors of 2? What can we multiply to get 2?
4.
1 times 2.
1 times 2. 4 is a multiple, but factors are numbers we're looking for that multiply to that number.
2
okay?
times 0.
2 times 0? You sure? What
I
is
mean
2 times 0?
0 times 2. No.
Let's try it out here.
None of those were
That's
0
wrong.
times 2. Ready? Let's bring up a little calculator. 0 times 2. It's a good question, you know. Anything times 0 is always 0. Okay? So these are the only 2 factors. So is this prime or composite?
Prime.
that's prime.
Prime.
I mean,
there's only 2, right? 1 and itself. That's what our definition read. How about the number 3? What are possible factors of 3?
1
Mm-hmm.
itself.
Times 3. How about 2? Can I use 2?
No.
No. So these are the only 2 factors?
Yep.
Yep.
What is it?
It's a prime number.
Ooh. How about 4? What are
1
possible?
and 2.
1 times
4.
4 and
2
times
2.
2
Ah. So how many factors are there here?
2. So it's a composite number.
Yeah, and there's not 2 factors. Technically, there's 1, 2, 3 factors, right? 1, 2, and 4 are all factors of this number. So we're going to say that this is a composite number, okay? And I probably should have given myself a little more room. Let's make room. We have lots of room over here. 10, 9. While I do that and I move things, what about the number 5?
Number 5 is
What are
1 times
factors?
5.
1 times 5. What else?
And that's all.
That's it. So
Prime.
what does that make this?
Prime.
That's
A
right.
prime.
Only 2 factors. It's a prime. How about 6?
1 times 6.
Yeah, 1 times 6.
2 times 3.
2 times 3. So how many factors are there here?
Um,
1,
4.
2, yeah, 3, and 6, which gives us a total of 4 factors. So what is this? This is a
Composite.
composite.
composite. Good. How about 7?
Oh, that there's 1 times 7.
Yeah, anything else?
No,
That's it. So what do we got?
a prime.
Prime. How about 8?
Yes, there is 1 times 8,
Yeah,
2 times 4,
yeah.
and yeah.
Okay, so how many factors do we have?
4.
4. The numbers are 1, 2, 4, and 8. So we have a total of 4 factors, which makes this a
Composite.
composite. Good. Let's build some room again. Whoa. What about the next number as I move these things?
9.
9, there's only 1, which is 1 times 9, which equals 9, so that makes it a prime number.
No,
Oh,
3
okay.
times 3.
Ah,
Oh.
1 times 9
3 times
and 3 times 3. Keep talking about that.
1 times 9, 3 times 3.
Good. What about the number 10?
Number 10.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
10,
10 is
there
1 times 10.
1 times 10,
2 times
5,
5.
Good.
5 times 2.
Yeah, we got those.
Yeah.
So both of these all have 4, or actually 9 only has 3, because we've written 3 twice, right? It's 3 factors, but is that a prime number then?
No.
No.
Composite.
It's composite. And then number 10, 1, 2, 5, and 10.
That's a composite.
That's a composite. Excellent. So what's the only one we didn't do?
1.
1. Tell me about 1.
Oh, 1
1
is a
times
factor.
1.
1 times 1. Now,
1 is a
what
factor.
would you think that is?
You would think it's a
You
prime.
would think it's a prime. Is it?
No.
Why not?
It's a factor.
Well, it's got 1 in itself, but one of the stipulations, it has to have 2 factors. And it actually only has 1 factor. All of the other ones either have 2 or 4 or 3, you have 2 or more. This one actually only has 1 factor. The number is 1. So this is not a prime or a composite number. It's neither of them. Okay?
Oh,
So number 1 does not fall in that category. Same with 0. Actually, because 0 has this infinite amount, you can put any number of numbers into that. Okay? Does that make sense, the difference between prime and composite?
mhm.
Very good.